In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your day trade status on Robinhood. If you're trading stocks or options on Robinhood, it's really important to keep an eye on your day trades, especially if you don't want to be flagged under the pattern day trader or PDT rule. This rule can limit your trading activity if you make too many day trades within a rolling 5-day window. So let's walk through exactly how you can monitor your day trade status on Robinhood's website. To get started, open your web browser and head over to robinhood.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection, especially if you're entering sensitive information. Once you're logged into your account, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see an account icon. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage many of your account preferences. Now, within the Settings page, you'll notice several different sections. Look for the one labeled Investing and give that a click. This section is where Robinhood keeps track of various details related to your investment activities, including information about your day trading. After you've clicked into the Investing section, the next thing you'll need to do is find and select the option called Day Trade Status. Clicking on this will bring up a new page or section that details your current day trading activity. This is a very handy tool if you're actively trading during the week. On the Day Trade Status page, you'll see a summary of several important pieces of information. First, Robinhood will show you exactly how many day trades you've made within your current 5-day rolling window. This is really helpful to keep in mind so that you know how close you are to reaching the limit. Right below that, you'll also see how many day trades you're allowed to make before you hit that threshold in your 5-day window. This number resets on a rolling basis, so check back regularly if you're trading frequently. Lastly, and most importantly, the page will also indicate whether you are close to being flagged as a pattern day trader, or PDT for short. If you're approaching this threshold, you might see a warning or an alert here. Being flagged under the PDT rule means you could be restricted from making any additional day trades unless your account meets certain equity requirements. So it's crucial to know where you stand. Following these steps ensures you stay informed about your day trading activity and helps you avoid any unwanted trading restrictions. By taking a moment to check your status regularly, you'll trade smarter and stay within the rules. Thanks for watching and happy trading.